The 2024 Inclusive Agribusiness Club is, we organized it in collaboration with the African Agribusiness Academy. The main theme of the program is, in Ethiopia, here and there, we will hear about agribusiness clusters. The academia has its own concepts and different practitioners had their own experience of facilitating agribusiness cluster development, but we are having some lessons from the field. So the aim of it is to deliberate on the lessons we learned as to scale. We share also what we have learned, and the others also contribute to what they have learned. So it's a kind of a knowledge sharing and at the same time a networking event. So we call it Network, Innovate and Grow in Inclusive Agribusiness.
We always say here in Ethiopia, agribusiness is a missing middle because it is not enjoying proper policy directives and supports. So we have been doing that. Series of dialogues have been taken, and on that we came to know with to scale. So from there, our type of engagement is became very similar. And they are very well engaged in organizing smallholder farmers to transform their production, and also those who are at the SME level engaged in value addition. So the so-called clustering, agribusiness clustering. So that is very similar to what we are doing and very much complementing to what we are doing, especially reaching the smallholder farmers. So that's where we have started together, and our initial engagement was on soliciting access to finance for SMEs and the smallholder farmers, cooperatives. So that was a very, very successful type of platform that we have done. And as a continuation to that, today we have agribusiness clustering, including what ATI doing.
Damascene essential oils basically produce spices, herbs, and essential oils. We are now currently working basically from the raw material side, because most of the quality of the products depends on the quality of the raw materials. So currently we are based in Addis, but we are working in southwest Ethiopia. We are working with 5,700 women farmers. Being the Inclusive Agribusiness Club, being a member of AAA as a member and being a beneficiary from the To Scale program, this Inclusive Agribusiness Club could teach people how can we work together, so you can learn from each other, then you can know which resources are where, and then we can share the information and we can grow together. So this club, as the benefit is just being here and communicate and having a network will help the development.
Agribusiness cluster is mainly a multi-network of actors around smallholder farmers on a specific commodity, where this multi-actor network are found in a specific geographical location where they get at ease to interact, to share information, to share knowledge or learning, and also to solve their challenges together. So from the experience sharing, they have noted how important to come together and align in terms of their business model and also business interest. But yes, it will not come by its own. So still, the private sector, the business associations, especially African Agribusiness Academy, will drive to mobilize resource on how we initiate and show the seed for the actors to see the fruit of working together.
Please welcome to join us in Inclusive Development Clubs or Inclusive Agribusiness Club, where we'll deliberate on the Ethiopian private sector challenges on agribusiness and in agriculture in general. So We'll be having a series of sessions where we deliberate on different topics which need to be relevant to the time. So please welcome and join us. Together we can make a difference.